video you just watched was made with Higgsfield for completely free. Yes, Higgsfield is now completely free for all new users for 24 hours. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Seedance 2 without spending a dime. Let's get into it. So this is the AI platform I'm going to be showing you in this video. And some of you may already be familiar with this AI platform, which is Higgsfield, because of its amazing generative capabilities. Well, I'm glad to tell you that Higgsfield is now completely free, and do stick with me because I'll be showing you how you can get unlimited access for a day with Higgsfield AI. This is just great because Higgsfield houses some of the best top models out there, such as Seedance 2, Nano Banana Pro, and MCP Tool. And you can actually use all of these for completely free and unlimited. In order to do that, first thing you want to do is sign up. And do make sure that you are a new user, because this is only for new users who sign up with a fresh account. So in order to do that, hover over, sign up, and click on it. And you have different sign-in options like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and email. For example, you can go with email and type in your email and password. And once you're signed in with a fresh account, you should see that you can now get unlimited access to top AI models like Seedance 2 and many more, all with this discount. And they do have a free trial that you can cancel at any time. Once you have your account set up, you will have a beautiful looking interface just like this. And as I mentioned, they have lots and lots of amazing models such as Seedance 2, and I'll show you how to use each and every one of these. In order to do this, all you have to do is hover over images, and you should see some amazing features and models that you can test out. In order to generate images with our free account, hover over Create Images and click on it, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Once you're loaded in, you can already see that I myself have been testing these video generation models out for completely free, and if you click on this image right here, you can see the quality we get with this is honestly outstanding. Like, you can head back and test it out with a simple prompt. For example, I can type in a prompt saying, "Man walking down a street." Just like this. And for the model, you can see that most of these are unlimited for me to use. All you have to do is choose the model you want. For this, I'm going with Nano Banana Pro. So you can click right here and choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1. And you can as well choose how many images you want to generate at a time. I'm just going to generate 2. And you have the opportunity to toggle on unlimited generations, but I myself have some credits, so I'm just going to leave it as is. But do keep in mind that with your free accounts, you can use this feature as well. So all I'm going to do is click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated. This is just great because this new trial feature allows new users to test out all the top models, such as Seedance 2, for completely free, and you can cancel your plan at any time whatsoever, and in no time, our images are done generating. The AI platform did an amazing job with this. The images are high in quality, and it doesn't even give that AI feel. It looks super ultra realistic. Just look at the high quality we get with this. And you can as well turn this into a video by clicking a single button right here. I'm just going to download this straight into my device. And now we can also test out Seedance 2, just to show you that we actually get Seedance 2 access for completely free. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is hover over videos, and you should see the amazing features and models that this AI platform houses that we can use for completely free. And if you look at the top of the models, you can see that Seedance 2 is right there. Now, in order to generate videos, all you have to do is click on Create Videos, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Now, I myself have been testing this out, generating Vox-style videos, and it works really great. You can test it out, having Seedance 2 selected on the wide variety of model lists and typing in a prompt of your choice. For example, I can say, "Video of a woman hurrying to work, walking down a busy street," just like this. And I think this prompt is perfect for testing out the amazing capabilities that we get with Seedance 2. Now, you can choose the duration. You can take this all the way up to 15 seconds of video, which I will do so. And for the aspect ratio, I'm going to go with 9:16. Having everything set, all you have to do is click right here on Generate. And while it's generating, you can look over here and you also get the unlimited mode which you can use as a new user for completely free, which is basically unlimited Seedance 2 video. But now let's give our video a couple of seconds while it generates for us, and in no time we have this beautiful video ready for us, and we can take a look at it. And honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion, generated the video with high quality, and it doesn't even give that weird AI feel. And what's great about this is because you can download it straight into your device with a click of a button. And that brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to sign up, as new users get access to unlimited Higgsfield for 1 day. Link will be in my bio.